Aveeno, Calm Plus Restore, Oat Gel Moisturizer, fragrance-free, 1.7 ounces, 48 grams. Product Overview Description. For sensitive skin, instantly soothes plus replenishes skin's moisture barrier. Prebiotic Oat, calming Feverfew registered 24 hours moisturization. Lightweight gel leaves sensitive skin comfortable all day. 92% agreed skin felt instantly soothed. Dermatologist recommended for over 65 years. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer instantly soothes sensitive skin and replenishes skin's moisture barrier for healthier looking skin. Prebiotic Oat soothes skin, helps nourish skin's moisture barrier. Feverfew calms skin. This formula is paraben-free, alcohol-free, dye-free, phthalate-free, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic. Tested on sensitive skin. Suggested use: massage into face using upwards and outwards motion. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, dimethicone, cetearyl olivate, avena sativa, oat, kernel flour, sorbitan olivate, polyacrylamide, synthetic beeswax, phenoxyethanol, C13-14 isoparaffin, butylene glycol, dimethicone crosspolymer, panthenol, chlorphenesin, dimethicone, carbomer, laureth 7, chrysanthemum parthenium, feverfew, flower/leaf/stem juice, ethylxylglycerin, sodium hydroxide, avena sativa, oat, kernel extract, Centella asiatica extract. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.